Hello people with the spirit of learning. So this is the design that we're going to convert into Flutter development for the iOS and Android. Okay, so make sure you download this asset first in the video description below. So if you take a look of my font style, I already prepared for you, so you just need to follow this. Okay, and this is for the color style, and this is for the pub spec. Okay, this is for the assets mainly. You see, we do have several images that we are going to use in our project based on this design. Okay, so in this Visual Studio Code, in the pages we need to create new file, which is movie. Okay, dot. Okay, just like that. We need to import the material dart because we're gonna use them, and then stle, we call it movies page. Okay, and for this container I think we can use a scaffold. Okay, and the body we use save area, and the child, if we see in the design, we need to use column. Okay, so we need to use column just like that. Okay, and semicolon. Cool. And after that we need to import into our main.dart movies page just like this. Okay, so when we try to debugging, first in the movies I think I can give this a row. Okay, so we need to give a row, and inside the children we use the column, and then we do have text. Okay, discover, and we do another text for this. Okay, learn from good movies. Okay, just like this at the moment. So we need to start debugging to see is this working or not. Okay, just debug anyway. Okay, if you see this, it is working pretty well. So if you see the design, we do have one icon here, so we are lucky because we already have this cappuccino icon. If you check in the pub spec, they do use the cappuccino icons. Okay, so what we're gonna do is to load the icon. First thing first, I think we need another children here after the column. Okay, let me clean it first. So this is the column, right? Row, column. So right here I guess we need the icon, right? So just put here. So just like this with these icons, and then icon search. Okay, and we need distance, right? So here I guess we can use kind of spacer. Okay, and then we do need the padding, right? So if you see in the design, we do have this margin top 30 and margin left 24. So I guess for this row, in the children, I think before we do have this row, we need to make cut size box. Okay, 30. Okay, so we will have this margin, right? And for this text align left, I think we can use cross alignment. start. Okay, it's done. And then for this row, since I remember this row doesn't have a padding, so what we gonna do is wrap with the padding, okay, and this is only, and we just need to set this horizontal 24. Okay, it should be working, right? Wait, oh sorry, maybe right here. Sorry, we just need to use symmetric. If you use only, you can do for the top or for the bottom, okay? But if you want to set it like symmetric, you just need to use a symmetric and then set for this horizontal. Okay, pretty cool. And also that if you see in the design, we need to use this kind of textile. So right here we give the style, which is a header, okay, and this style for the subtitle. Okay, it's working properly. So in this icon search, we need to set the size. Let's go with 30, and then color is black primary. Okay, just like this. Yeah, I guess. And if you see here, they do have the distance, which is 4 pixel. So what we're gonna do is giving them a size box 4. Okay, and we see here. Okay, nice. I guess 30 is just so small. What about we just go with 36 and that is enough? Okay, just like this, right? Pretty cool. So after this header, we need to moving into this featured movie. So after the column, I guess, yeah, right here, so we do have this column with these children's, and padding. After this padding, we need to make a row, not row, I guess, column. Yeah, another column, right? Column, and then we do have these children. So first we do have this row. Okay, this is for the row, and inside the row we do have column with these children, and then we do have stars, and before the row here we do have image assets. Okay, so right here we just input images movie featured.png. Okay, and boom, this is working, right? So I guess we just need to little bit resize, I guess. So what we're gonna do first, we need the margin, right? We need the margin to the top 30. So we just put right into here 30. Okay, and for this image we need the properties, like for the height and then for the width, right? So we just setting here. Oops. For the width, let's go with 300, and then for the height, let's go with 200. Oh, this is a little bit small. Okay, so I think we don't have to declare the width and height or dimension, just increase the padding, right? So this one we can give the column with the padding, so symmetric, and then we go with the horizontal and just put 30, 20, 15. Yeah, I think 15 is enough, right? Okay, just go with 13. Okay, that's pretty cool. Awesome. So let's continue into this title, the title of movie. So we do have this column. We just need to input text, of course, just like this. And this is for the title, John Wick 4. Okay, and this is for the subtitle, Action Crime. So we check here. Okay, it's working. And I guess the padding, right? So this is the padding for this image, but it seems doesn't working with this title. Okay, I think later we need to figuring out how do we fix this layout, but that's fine. Just focus first on these methods. Okay, we do have this text just like this, and then we need stars. Okay, so there is icon for this search. We just need to copy, and after this column we need this. Okay, there is no search anymore, just star. Okay, I guess this is too big. Let's go with 26 and use the yellow primary. Okay, what if we just need to copy them? Is it working? Yeah, we need another 2. Okay, like this, right? And then if you see here, we do have this row, right? So we need, I guess we need to wrap with the padding again. So just symmetric and then horizontal. Okay, that's enough. Okay, and in this column we need to setting the cross alignment start. Okay, nice. So after that I think this is too small, right? So let's go back into the styles, in the font styles. Let's go with 600, reload, and it will give you the new update like this. Wow, amazing, right? So there is something that we need to figuring out. This one, why is the distance so far away? So the problem with this, it is because we use a shadow. Okay, so when the first time you import with the shadow, it's gonna have a problem. So if I try to remove the shadow and just like this, I'm going to re-import these assets. Okay, just copy, and then we're going to put in this directory. Okay, I call it mf. Okay, just use mf, and we need to register to the pubspec, right? We need to register movie featured, and then in these movies we just need to change to movie featured or mother father. See, it is because the shadow. Okay, So I guess if I change 24 and I don't need to use this padding anymore, maybe just a 0. Okay, so it is working properly. So the shadow is the problem. So we need to stick flat design. Oh my god, really? I guess I need to moving up like 16, right? So in this matter we need to give the size box here, which is 16. No, it's not working. Try to refresh. Okay, it's not working. Maybe not right here. Size box. Oh, maybe right here. Okay. Yeah, it is working like this. Cool. Congratulations. Okay, we need to continue in this section from Disney. Yeah, so in these movies, let me full screen. Okay, so we do have this padding, right? So actually this is different section. Section 1, section 2, and then section 3. Okay, so first we do have this padding. Okay, and then another padding. So after this padding we need to create another section, which is this Disney. Okay, I think this is gonna be much easier. So first we need a column, and then we need a text which we can just copy from this discover, right? Just like this. Okay, but we need to change it to from Disney. If you don't see any changes yet, you can click here for the refresh. Okay, but I couldn't see where is that the text. Okay, wait, this is padding, close here, instead of this children, padding, close here. Okay, I guess, but where is the text? That's fine. Just continue first. We need this row. Okay, so after this text we need row with this children. Okay, first we need image, asset, and then assets images, movie mulan.png. Okay, I think we need to restart the debugging. Okay, so after you restart this debugging, you will see that this is your latest design, like this. Okay, so in this section we select this cover. We need to set up this height. Okay, so in this image just put height 125. Okay, like this, right? And then we need the margin top about 30, I guess. So just give the margin 30. We put right here. Okay, and then we need this cross alignment. and we need to wrap with the padding, of course. This padding, just copy and then paste here. It's gonna much faster for us. And this is the margin that we're gonna need, 20. So we just need copy and then just put right into here, I guess. Yeah, just go with 18. Okay, cool. So we got this section, right? And in this section we just need to copy from this section. Well, actually we do have this text, right? Copy, and this is for the row, and after row we need a column. Okay, and boom, like this. And for the stars we can just copy this icon stars. I think we need row to do that, so put row here with the children and like this. Okay, amazing. But we need to change this size of stars. Okay, we just need to put like 20. Okay, that's enough. And we need this one to make it start from the left column, and then yeah, okay. And we need the size box, but in this case we use width. And then after that we need size box about 20. Okay, we just need to change the movie title, Mulan edition, science fictional. Okay, just like that. Well, you are done. You just need to follow the latest steps to make this one. But if you see here, there is another color for the stars. I guess we need to register the color. Just copy here, and then we use this color for the soft purple. Okay, and then select the latest stars for the soft purple. Oops, and it is working like this. Okay, so congratulations, and hopefully it's gonna be useful for your business and for your project. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.